A blessed good day to you all. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing recipe for battered fried chicken wings. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's start by seasoning our wings. Here I have some garlic and onion powder, seasoned salt, paprika, cayenne pepper, black pepper, complete seasoning, and chicken bouillon. I did wash my wings first before seasoning it. Here you want to add the seasoning to the wings and go in and just rub it in. Make sure the wings are well coated. Usually I would add some oil here, but I'm not going to do that today because I want the butter to hold on to the wings. So once you're done, you want to cover this and allow it to sit and marinate for about an hour or two. Here we're going to create a batter using cornstarch and self-rising flour. We're going to add that to the chicken and then come in with some cold ice water. You want to create a batter of a consistency that's right in the middle. You don't want it too thick or too thin. But once we're done, I'll show you what a batter should look like. Now if you want, you can mix the batter separately and then pour it onto the chicken wings, but I didn't want to dirty any more dishes, so I decided to do everything in this one bowl. Now this is the consistency we are looking for, not too thin or not too thick, right in the middle. Now we're gonna go ahead and fry up our chicken wings. Here I have my oil preheating to 350. We are going to drop them in and allow them to fry for about 10 to 12 minutes or so. Once they're done, remove them and just carry on with the same process until you're all done. Quick, easy, and simple, guys. You all will love this, trust me. And here you have it, battered fried chicken wings. When I tell you this was amazing, it was so flavorful, tender and juicy on the inside, but crispy and crunchy on the outside. Here's my daughter enjoying the wings. She devoured them as my whole family did, and I can't wait for you guys to give this recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy